Hello everyone, we are group number 5. Today we are presenting our final year project presentation on Allocraft Supervisor Allocation Automated System. Here is an introduction. The automated examination allocation system streamlines the assignment of students to classrooms and a supervisor by addressing the complexities of reasoning students' enrollment. By leveraging the technology, it minimizes the manual efforts, reduces the errors, and enhances the communication for more efficient examination process. Here is a problem statement. To develop an automated system that allocates students to available classroom during their examination and assign a supervisor to those classroom and send a timely notification to both student and supervisor regarding their examinations are allocated classrooms and supervision. Here is a need of work. The first is a growing student population. Every colleges face the challenges in minimizing the larger number of students with a limited classroom. Second one is efficiencies. Manual allocation can lead to error such as double booking rooms or failing to inform the supervisor about the exam. Timely communication, notification about exam schedule and the allocation are crucial to prevent a confusion and ensure the smooth operations.
Objectives. The first part of our objective is to automate the allocation of student to the available classroom based on the exam scheduled, classroom capacity and student ID or EN number. Second is to assign a supervisor to the specific classroom in a balanced manner and according to the exam time and the available staff. Third part is to provide a real-time notification to student regarding the allocated classroom exam date and time. And the fourth part is to send a automated message to supervisor detail their assigned classroom and supervision duties. System architecture. In system architecture, the admin portal module is the admin inputs data, student, classroom, and schedules. The data creation module. In data creation module, it organizes and generates data typically in the Excel. Allocation algorithm module, the core logic that assigns the students and supervisor based on rules. And the last part is notification system module that sends the automated SMS or mail alerts. Here are the hardware requirements and software requirements. The hardware requirements are processor, a multi-core processor. RAM should be a minimum 8 GB or more for the better performance. The storage of SSD must be at least 100 GB to store the data of students and faculties. Network should be stable and reliable. Software requirements. Operating system, any modern OS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Backend framework is Flask. Front-end technologies used is HTML5 and CSS3. Notification services is Twilio or SMS notifications. Snapshots. The first snapshot is of a admin login where the admin is used to enter that admin ID and the password to log in to the system. Second snapshot is of dashboard where admin has to use CSV file of that is used to choose timetable, students data, supervisors data and classroom data and upload it to the system. The third snapshot is allocation results where date, time, classroom, paper and students name and EN numbers are posted and it is formed in a tabular form for the user. Conclusion. The system where it increases the exam management efficiency, it reduces a manual work, it improves communication and has a potential for future enhancement like real-time adjustment and integration with learning platform.
So this is the coding part. First we have a generate inputs file which would generate all the required inputs for our system. Then this is the main code, which is app.py. When we run it, the server gets starts on the given port. First we have an admin login. After entering the user ID and password, it gets successful login. Then we would have to enter the generated inputs. These are the timetables, students, and classroom lists. After entering the documents, we have to schedule the time of SMS on which the SMS gets sent to the student as well as supervisor for the examination. And this is the final allocated result sheet.